The temperature probe. So here we've got a digital thermometer. I do a digital temperature probe, which are really, really good and really handy for when you're cooking meats and some other things, especially in pastry work as well. But there you go. I just lift the top up, and then you get the reading on there. You plug this into your meat, and you get the exact temperature that you want to cook your meat to, or your food to. And also with these ones, which comes in the box, you get this really handy little chart which tells you all the temperatures. So if you get a bit stuck, or you get a bit like, oh, damn, I can't remember what that temperature's supposed to be, there's always usually a little chart that comes with the temperature probes. You also have to keep an eye on these. Just make sure you keep it somewhere safe, because they've got a real habit of going missing. You have it one day and the next day it's like, where's it gone? It just vanishes. So yeah, so a few things with these tips is know your temperatures. I've got this chart here which I'm going to put on. I'll put next to this video so you can see this chart. Keep those, and always keep them safe or hide them away so nobody can see them to steal them. Thank you.